Hello, I'm teacher Rory, a certified TEFL teacher from the Philippines. I'm focusing on grammar and pronunciation using the assigned curriculum. These lessons are fun, engaging, and helpful. We'll learn new words, sentences, and so much more. So, we'll be learning something new in every lesson. We get through this together, being patient, kind, and persistent. And don't worry if you make mistakes, that's okay. We learn from them. We'll learn from them. All right? I love teaching all of you, and I'm confident that we can do this together. We can do this together, all right? So see you in my class. Right, see you. By the way, let me share to you my teaching principle. My teaching principle is rooted in the belief that learning is a two-way process, the teaching and the learning. By teaching, I reinforce my own learning too, as a teacher and as an individual. So, we're gonna learn together, alright? And because of my teaching principle, I love teaching you, especially kids. Hello, kids. I'm so excited to be your teacher and your friend if you want. Do you want me to be your teacher and your friend too? Me? I love to be your teacher and your friend too. So, what are you waiting for? Please book a lesson with me now. I'm so excited to finally meet you all. So see you in my class. Teacher loves you. Bye for now. See you.